Hi everybody, I'm Brian Jones, the Sunday Carpenter, and I finally got around to buying a vacuum. I finally convinced myself that it's okay to spend $130 on a vacuum. And I've checked the Japanese auction sites, and usually it costs well over $100, sometimes up to $200 or $300, even for a used wet dry vacuum. I spent some time on the Amazon website and I found a bunch of Chinese companies that make wet dry vacuums, and they all came in at under $100. But I'd never heard of these companies and I didn't really trust them. And then I saw a DeWalt one, which is a name I know, and I don't have a whole lot of, actually I don't have any DeWalt tools, so this is my first one. I really hope that this vacuum will help speed up my cleanup times. Feels like I spend half my time pushing a broom around and the other half of the time making the mess. So hopefully I can change that ratio. More time making a mess, less time cleaning up. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so there's no foam, there's no bubble wrap, there's nothing in here except for the vacuum and the extra pieces. As you can see, it's very simply packaged. There's nothing to keep it from really smashing about or protecting it from getting bumped up in transit. Extension tubes, casters, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the instructions. Ah, that's where the other pieces were hiding. I feel like I'm dissecting R2-D2. So in here we've got a hose, the end attachments, a brush attachment, screws for the feet, a bag to keep everything in, and a vacuum bag. Let's put our feet on. Okay, those fit pretty snug. Let's put R2 back together. That's simple. Connect the hose. There's a little bit of play in that. Doesn't feel really tight. Okay, I've seen on other wet dry vacs, there's a place on the foot to store these tubes. But on this DeWalt, there's no place to store these. So I've been working on a new stool project, and I've been sanding it pretty much all morning, getting down to fine grits. There's not a lot of dust, but let's see how this gets rid of that. Not a lot of dust, but let's see how it does. Found some more dust. It's got a lot of good suction power. It's not overly noisy. It's fairly light. I'll do a follow-up video later on. Let you know if it's still working okay or not, and to let you know if it's been broken or if there's any defects in it. It's got all the features I'm going to need and all the attachments I'm going to need. So I'm looking forward to making some sawdust and cleaning it up with this bad boy. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.